Hi friends, it's Tracy Thompson with Remax Grand. Is anybody else running out of ideas on what there is to do? Are you trying to feel a little creative but are stuck? Well, I'm here to tell you that Hayley, owner of Home by Hayley, has got some pretty amazing things going on, and it's an opportunity for you and me to be able to support a local business and also kind of get our groove on when it comes to creativity in the meantime. Hayley, what's shaking?
Thanks, Tracy. This is Hayley with Home by Hayley. While we wish we could welcome you all into the studio for all the fun workshops and events we did have planned over the next few weeks, we found a way to bring all of our DIY services right to you at home. We have come up with a few different types of DIY kits that will ship directly to your house, even if you're local, for $5, and they will arrive in a Home by Hayley branded box, so when they arrive you'll know exactly what you're getting. A few of these kits include our gnome kits. It includes everything you need from fabric to faux fur to create two cute gnomes such as these sitting here. We also have a Pick Your Word DIY kit, and you can put any name or word you would like us to cut out for you, and it will ship with paint and brushes for you to decorate your word and store that at home. We also have sign kits, and if you've ever been to a Home by Hayley workshop, it's basically a workshop in a box. And so you'll receive a stencil, the sign, as well as paint and brushes and anything else you might need to create the sign. We currently have kids sign kits listed on the website, but our adult signs are coming soon, so stay tuned for that. And lastly, we also have our string art kits, and this comes with everything you need to create a unique piece of string art that you can use to decorate your house. As always, we do also have custom orders, so if you would like us to make something custom for your home with all this downtime you might have, you can decorate your house with a unique Home by Hayley piece. We would love to do that as well. We hope everyone is staying safe, and we'll hopefully see you at the studio real soon.
Thank you, Hayley. All of those ideas sound like so much fun. And for those of you watching, if you still feel a little intimidated, don't be. She makes these kits so super simple, and you are going to look like a champ when it's all said and done. Hey, and don't forget about her custom orders. I personally have purchased them for my buyers and sellers as closing presents in the past, also for loved ones, and they are so well received and give such a personal touch. So if you have any questions, reach out to Hayley. Thank you for sharing your talents with us, Miss Hayley, and I can't wait to order my kit. See you later.